We are going to update the surface by redrawing it, and then look at two very useful consultation and review commands. We go to MDT, Surfaces, Information, and this command will give us details of the entire surface, triangles, vertices, geometry, perimeter, and total surface area in both real and 3D mode, which is extremely useful for the case of slope surfaces, for example. Another new feature is the calculation of uncertainties, which will serve us in the precision of our point using GPS or stations in accordance with the precision. The next command we have is MDT, Surfaces, Utilities, Check. This option enables us to check the surface and appears in yellow, whereby if we find a hole in the surface, an outline in red will appear, informing us of who doesn't have a surface. We return to recover our surface and see that no kind of error has been found. If we wish to return to the initial status of the surface, all we need do is draw it again.